Well, here we are again. It's June 2021, and we're on the cusp of announcing the winners for all these different categories for the 3D Print Pioneers Challenge, led by Chris and Simone Volker. Wow, I mean, I sit on this jury every year, and all I see is just things that really move and touch me. It's exciting. It's exciting because now I see more and more minds converging. When I see engineering and design converge, I see something greater. And this is something which is really starting to become the norm in the new age of design. So what have I seen? I mean, I've seen innovation, very, very subtle innovation that's led to a beautiful new aesthetic, but with a material that maybe we all know and could not predict this outcome. You know, in the course of my design career, I've really tried to push some boundaries, and yeah, there are things that you see every day, ubiquitous objects, which are morphing before our eyes. And for me, it's a great privilege to announce the winner of the mobility section in particular, because it's such a vital and important aspect of our lives today, and especially with electrification and the new way that we're dealing with energy and, you know, human mobility. Where that will go, I don't know, but this exponential growth in the quality of the entries that we see every year, and I will encourage you and thank you for keep sending in your entries. So without much more ado, I would like to announce the winner of the 3D Pioneers Challenge 2021 for mobility. And that winner is Waldwiesel, the first 3D printed gravel e-bike by URWAHN Engineering, led by Sebastian Meneke and his team. Great work, guys. So rewarding, so uplifting, and again, very subtle. I think when people look at it, they'll think, wow, what's that? And it's because when you go deep into what you've done, using materials, known materials like steel, which we've almost given up on, and you know, reinventing that in the way that you printed that into something really elegant. You've also created a new generation of cyclists, I think, who in a very elite kind of unique way will seek out this product and feel really privileged to be riding it with its heightened performance standards. So great engineering, great design, and great use of additive manufacturing. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. With our Waldwiesel, we tried to push metallurgical 3D printing to its limits, and now we're just more than happy to receive this year's 3DPC award in the mobility category. Thank you so much.
Moin Moin, ich bin Sebastian Meneke, einer der Querdenker hinter unserer Fahrradmanufaktur URWAHN Bikes. Aus Deutschland heraus entwickeln wir urbane Fahrräder für morgen und stellen damit unsere Branche mal wieder mächtig auf den Kopf. Nun gehen wir mit unserem Fairframe-Prädikat einen Schritt weiter und sagen der Massenindustrie in billigeren Ländern, operiert den Kampf an. Sinnbild unseres Fairframe-Prädikats ist unser neuartiger Stahlrahmen, den wir seit über 3 Jahren regional in Deutschland produzieren. Hierbei legen wir bereits sehr viel Wert auf faire Arbeits- und Lohnbedingungen. Darüber hinaus produzieren wir all unsere Stahlrahmen mit Hilfe des 3D-Drucks, On-Demand und Just-in-Time. Überproduktion und exorbitante Lagerhaltung gehören bei uns somit der Vergangenheit an. Damit reduzieren wir maßgeblich den Bedarf an wertvollen Ressourcen. Ohne Grund setzen wir bei unserem Werkstoff auf recycelbaren Stahl. Sehr langlebig und elastisch in seinen Eigenschaften stellt dieser herkömmliche Rahmen aus Aluminium und Carbon gänzlich in den Schatten. Unser besonderes Stahlrahmendesign zeichnet sich durch eine hohe Anpassbarkeit auch über Jahre hinweg aus. Dadurch erweitern wir die Lebensdauer und entschleunigen den Massenkonsum. Mit unserem Fairframe-Prädikat wollen wir jetzt aktiv handeln, sensibilisieren und das Morgen nachhaltig gestalten. Klingt das nicht fair?